Hey guys, in this video I want to show you my latest Bitcoin trade that I'm currently up quite a bit on, and we're going to do a little bit of live market action, and I'll show you some stuff here in the Bitcoin and the futures and stock market. And right now I'm up it's like 10 or 11 winning trades with only one losing trade here in the Bitcoin market, and I've been so accurate with this just because it's a very easy market to trade. But anyway, I'm also going to do a review of the stock market and show you some recent action and what I think we're going to see this week. But before we dive into that, I want to show you dailytradingprofits.com. So this is my trading education business, and you guys may have been part, or you may currently be a part of the E-mini Trading Academy, which is where we trade the futures every day, or the stock trader formula. But what we did, I had a lot of requests for people that just want general trading education and market news and investing ideas. And so what we've done is we've started to build out the site with a ton of content. So if you're new to trading, just come to dailytradingprofits.com. We've got a lot of material on here. And make sure to like us on Facebook, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll link this up. But on my Chris Dunn TV channel, I do, you guys are probably following the Epic Journey videos. We're traveling around the world for a year, and right now we actually today just got to Spain after spending a week in the Swiss Alps, and then before that we were basically train hopping all over Europe. So we've got a bunch of cool videos. But if you're interested in trading, definitely come to Daily Trading Profits and subscribe, because we've got quite a few people that are going to start contributing to this, people that are consistently profitable or experts at trading. And so you don't want to miss out on that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the Bitcoin market. I want to show you kind of where we're at, what's happened. If you haven't been following me on TradingView, I highly recommend doing that. As of right now, I'm one of the top 10 contributors on TradingView out of thousands of people. And you can see I've got, just thousands of followers and views and likes. And the reason why is because the content that I put out there and the predictions that I make are very, very accurate. And this is actually my latest one from last week. You can come in here and read this. I'm not going to read it to you and bore you during the video, but basically I was looking for a pretty big move starting last week. And I actually made a tweet on Thursday. I said there's very little liquidity in Bitcoin right now, but I started a short on the crack of support, and then I sent this trade alert actually directly to my trading students. And this is the chart and the alert that I sent out. I showed the entry here right around 609. So I was risking just over 2% or just below 3%, and I've been looking for a move of about 7%. And so what I was telling people here is I started in on the crack of this support level, and I didn't get the absolute best fill, but you never do. That's trading. It's not about being perfect. It's about being profitable. And so this is really the first trade that I've had in a couple of weeks in the Bitcoin market. You notice that, for those of you that have been following me for a while, I don't take a whole lot of trades in the Bitcoin market, but the trades that I do make are big trades. I'm going for a minimum of a 5 to 10% move, but on average, you can see in here I've had some, big like 20, 30% moves. And my goal is not to try to scalp and overtrade the Bitcoin market, but to really just, catch the biggest of the big moves. And so here's where we're at right now. I've started to scale out, but this is a chart that I put out to everybody saying, per my live tweet and trade alert, I shorted at 609, blah, blah, blah. I've been taking profit as this thing has been crashing just because the volume's not that great. But it's still a pretty big winner. And so, the idea is just to have a plan of action before you get into a trade. And I've really been trying to, teach a lot of people in the Bitcoin space how to become professional traders, because, there's a lot of people that are just kind of, coming in this market very uneducated. And so that's why I'm doing, the videos on Daily Trading Profits, and why we're posting all this, really high level and top quality content on Daily Trading Profits, just to give you guys kind of a place to start and give you, as much as I can. Because at the end of the day, it makes me really happy to get tweets and emails, whenever you guys nail these big trades along with me. So as far as the stock market goes, let's go ahead and look at the S&P 500. The bull market has not slowed down whatsoever. We've been kind of sideways for the past couple of weeks, which is pretty typical of a July. But overall, if we look from the beginning of the year right here, the market has just been making higher highs and higher lows all year. And so what's happened the past couple of weeks, since we've been moving sideways, we've had a lot of intraday volatility. And so this is actually my map trading strategy, which is what we use to trade the E-mini futures. And so if you're part of my Pro Trader Challenge or a student of the E-mini Trading Academy, you're in the room trading with us every day. And today we actually had two really nice trades, and these were all live. We went in depth and announced these trades before they set up, talked about what I was looking for, why we took the trades, managed through the trades, and posted these charts live as it was happening. And so we had a really nice short here about a half hour after the market opened, moved down for a couple of points, covered that in a couple of different spots, and then we had a really nice reversal trade off of this key level in the market. And also made a few points. So overall, just a really, really great day, even though overall the market is basically flat. Whenever you're day trading, you can take advantage of that intraday volatility. So you can see this is today's daily candle, which is basically flat, right? But we were able to trade that intraday movement by having a rules-based strategy that really gives us clear vision of where the market's going over the next few minutes. And so you can get in and out and manage your risk to reward very well in these types of market conditions. So overall right now, just kind of taking a look at the live Bitcoin market, this is really the only trade that I have going. I'm still holding just a partial size of the Bitcoin trade. So if we go, let's take a look at like a 30-minute. I actually got short right around here on Thursday, and then started to lock in profits in the first panic, and then closed even more down here in the 570s. And you can go back and look at my Twitter. I highly encourage you to follow me on Twitter, because I've basically just been posting all of my live Bitcoin trades as fast as I can for you guys. I know there's a lot of people that are trying to take my alerts. And so I've got just a partial position holding. You can see we've kind of bottomed out at 575. My original target was 565. So we're pretty close to that, and I think we might get it. If you look at a daily chart, the idea was to trade the crack of this consolidation pattern. So if I kind of just draw this consolidation pattern, you can see the market was making lower highs through here. If I can get this drawing tool to work. I like TradingView a lot more than Bitcoin Wisdom, but basically, look at that. The idea was to short the break of support here at 1610, which I did, and basically anticipate this panic. And so I'm not really sure where this thing will end, but I do know that this was a very high probability trade. And that was actually, my last trade before that was actually, buying back here and covering up into resistance. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them on the video. Like up the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you real soon. Take care.